Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about the timeline date slicer in Power BI. This is also called as a dual column slicer. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So basically this dual column slicer required two dates, and now let me show you what I have in my data set. So this is the sales data, and you can see the date, sales date here, and again you can see the delivery date here. So we have a two date. On the top of this two date, I'll build a timeline slicer. Now let me go back to the report page. And this dual column slicer is a custom visual, so it is not the Power BI native visual. So we'll get it from the App Store. So now I'll click on the visualization pane, and from here I'll click get more visual. And in the search you have to type a dual slicer. So here you can see the dual slicer. Just click on this to see other details. You can see the picture of a dual slicer, and the main thing is that price is a free actually, so you can use it. Actually there won't be any licensing, or the it is not a paid version, it is a free slicer. To add to the visual gallery, you have to just click on the add button. So I have already added, so I'm not going to add it actually, so I'll close it from here. Now here you can see the dual column date slicer. So I'll just bring it into a Power BI report. So I'll click, and now here it has a range 1, date range 1 and date range 2. So I'll add the date from the my data model. So first I'll add the delivery date because this is the higher date, and now I'll add the sales date. Okay, so my slicer has been built, and this is, you can see the timeline kind of the thing. And here you have also calendar control, so you can control it from here also. So there is a many way to control. So for example, I'll select 1st January 2023. So you can see the slider has changed. And for example, if I will change it from here, for example, I'll select 31st August. So you can see the slicer from this side is also reduced. So you can also adjust from here, okay, in the both the side actually. And you can see the table is also slicing. And apart from this, you can also shift like this way, and whatever is required. That is a call as a timeline kind of the slicer. And you can also increase and decrease this. So about the formatting option for this slicer, we do not have much in the formatting section. The property we have, title we have. If you want to change the title, you can change it from here. And if you want some changes in the effects, the background, visual border and shadow, etc. And now you can change the date format if you want. So here there is a date format, is different kind of the date format is also there. And apart from this, there is a header icon and the alt text. So that's all for this about this date slicer, timeline date slicer. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.